Linux Mint 20. First thing we need to do is open the web browser and go to www.apachefriends.org/download. Scroll down to the Xampp for Linux section and download the one with the version of PHP you want. I'm going to go with the newest one and click download. Click OK to save the file. When it's done downloading, open the file location. Now right-click in the window and select Open Directory in Terminal. Then type chmod 755 Xampp -Linux *installer.run. Then type sudo // Xampp -Linux -installer.run. Okay, click Next. Make sure those boxes are checked and click Next. You'll see Xampp is going to be installed to /opt/lamp. Then click Next. You can uncheck the box for learning more and then click Next. Click Next. Then you can click Finish here. And you'll be in the Xampp control panel. So you can click Manage Servers, and from here you can start and stop each one individually by highlighting it and pressing one of the buttons on the right. So highlight ProFTP and hit Start. And you can start, stop all, and restart with the buttons at the bottom. Then we go to the Application Log tab, and we can see that I've started and stopped all these servers. Okay, after this, you can close the control panel, and we can start and stop the servers from the command line by using sudo /opt/lamp/lamp. I'm going to stop them. You can also use restart. And then to start them up again, sudo /opt/lamp/lamp start. Okay, I want to start Firefox and go to localhost and make sure Apache is actually working. And if you get this page, welcome to Xampp, it's working. Okay, next, we'll install a Xampp launcher in the taskbar by going to System Settings, double-clicking Applets, go up to Download. If your cache is out of date, click Yes. Then type Xampp in the search box. Highlight Xampp and then click the down arrow. When that's done, go back to Manage. Highlight Xampp and then click the plus sign at the bottom. And then you'll see the launcher icon in the taskbar in the lower right corner. If you click on that, you get a menu of options. You can start Xampp Manager from here. And you can also start, stop, and restart the servers, or launch PHP MyAdmin. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.